Hi, my name is Jeffrey Johnson Dean, and I am doing a demonstration of using WinRar and how to use the .rar files and when to extract them, how to put them together, and how to make your own so that you can use them to transfer over the cloud network and everything. So, hope you enjoy it. Thanks. So let's get started. First, we're going to go into Google and find out what is a RAR file or a .rnr file, and I like to use Lifehacker, so we'll go in and type in RAR extractor lifehacker.com. So it'll be lifehacker.com, and there's a couple places it goes off. We'll choose 5 best comprehensive ones, comprehensive tools. Sorry. So you can honestly see it as 7-zip, IZArc, WinRar, obviously the one that we'll be using today, and Unarchiver for Mac OS. So now that you've seen a couple of them, we'll get right into it. So we'll go straight into the WinRar, and obviously I already have a couple files, and I'll show you how to extract them. We'll go to extract to this folder. And we'll find where we want to extract it to, and we also obviously Cosmopolis. And while it's extracting, another reason why you would use the extracting tool is like on a cloud-based format. If you have to put a bunch of files up on the cloud and you don't have enough room to do it, you just use little bits and pieces. As you can see here, it's playing the whole show for you. So just like that, that's the easiest way to do or to put the files together. Next, I'll show you how to break them apart. So we'll get right into that right here, and we'll do Finding Nemo. The easiest way to do it, obviously you see, is the 1.5 gigabit movie. So the easiest way to do is right click, add to archive. You can use the other ones there, but I like to use add to archive, and you can see that it's already at the RAR file format. You can use a zip file because WinRar does both of them, but we'll stick with the RAR file. And then you can choose the compression method, where you got the store it. You got your fastest method, which is lowest quality. And you got your fast, which is a little bit better quality. You got your normal, which is the speed is slower. And then you got your best, which the speed is really slow. But for here, we're going to do the fastest one. And obviously the size of what you want. The easiest way to do this is to actually go on Google and figure out how many, obviously because it says bytes, how many bytes are in a megabyte. And the most popular size to do a movie in is 15 megabytes. So we'll go into Google right here. I'll show you. Just load up, hit it in, and say how many bytes are in a megabyte. And 1 to obviously 1 million bytes. It's not going to be exactly 1 million because of the way it converts, the conversion and everything. 1 gigabyte, so a lot more. So now that you know that it's 1 million bytes to every megabyte, we want to put in 15 million bytes to make 15 megabytes, and that's going to be the easiest way to do it. Something like that should be good. Yep. Now we're good. And you obviously want to make it match up to what you put your folder into. Make sure it's going to the folder you set it to. You can also use browse to find out where you want to go. You got your advanced tab. You got your, for more advanced people, options. Very basic tab at the top. And go into it, hit OK. It'll start converting, or start breaking down into the 15 million bytes we set it for, or 15 megs. We got that going on, and obviously because it's taken so long, that it was it's the fastest one, but it was the longer one, which was the best quality, then it would have been a lot longer than 3 minutes. So obviously you can see that we have a lot of little bytes, megabytes there, little files there. So I already went into the box.com, which is my cloud service. You can really upload these to any program, to any cloud storage. The only ones that I noticed that can't do it is SkyDrive, because they only use pictures, music, and stuff of that nature. But if you just upload it to this thing, it's quick, and you have anybody access it. It can be for files for work. It can be used for PowerPoints. It's a really big one where you're not allowed to use a disk when you're in the military. Not a lot of people are allowed to use disks or thumb drives, so you can use the cloud drive and break it down the parts and extract and put them back together on the other side, and be set for that. But as this is loading, it depends on the speed of your internet to see how fast it'll upload. Usually for about 50 files, it'll take good 45 to an hour to upload. But if it's just for 15 megabytes, then it's real fast for you. The reason why it's under 15 megabytes, as you see, is 14.7. It's because a megabyte is not exactly 1 megabyte, or a byte is not exactly 1 megabyte, and it's always been that way and will always continue to be that way because of the conversions and such. But there's how you put it up, extract it and put it up on the cloud drive so anyone can access it. And another way to do this is to extract files, and you can do that, which is the normal way. You can right click, or extract here, which is the easiest way, and you don't only have to press one extraction point. You don't have to do each individual file or highlight all the files. You can just do the one. So when you do the one, you can just continue doing all of those in sequence order. So that's how you extract and add to archive, and how you would use this program, WinRar. Sorry about the lighting. I'm traveling right now. I'm going home for my leave, and I'm out in the car doing this. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a few things, and thank you for your time.